Miro Review. Watch before using. Miro is a collaborative online whiteboarding platform designed for teams to ideate, plan, and execute projects seamlessly in a digital space. It's packed with features like pre-built templates, drag-and-drop tools, and real-time collaboration that make it a favorite among project managers, designers, and remote teams. One standout feature is the infinite canvas, which allows users to brainstorm, map workflows, and create visual plans without space constraints. Miro also integrates with popular tools like Slack, Jira, Google Drive, and Zoom, streamlining workflows and reducing the need to switch between apps. Whether you're conducting a design sprint, managing an agile workflow, or brainstorming marketing strategies, Miro offers versatility for virtually any team. The platform is built with collaboration at its core, enabling multiple team members to work simultaneously on the same board. Real-time sticky notes, voting sessions, and live cursor tracking create a highly interactive environment, even for distributed teams. For asynchronous work, you can leave comments, tag team members, or record explainer videos directly on the board. The organizational tools, such as mind maps and Kanban boards, make it easy to structure your projects and track progress, while its presentation mode lets you turn boards into professional slide decks instantly. Miro is ideal for creative professionals, project managers, educators, and anyone in need of a visual collaboration tool. However, its value is maximized for teams, not individuals. While solo users can benefit, the platform truly shines when multiple collaborators are involved. Beginners will appreciate its user-friendly interface, but it does have a learning curve if you're exploring advanced features like custom templates or API integrations. One downside is that Miro can become overwhelming for new users with its vast array of tools and options. Additionally, the free plan, while useful, has limitations on the number of editable boards, making it less practical for long-term use without upgrading. Paid plans start at a reasonable price, offering unlimited boards, enhanced collaboration features, and advanced security options, making them a worthy investment for businesses. In conclusion, Miro is a game changer for visual collaboration, offering robust features to meet the needs of modern teams. It's perfect for those seeking to streamline workflows, foster creativity, and collaborate more effectively. If you're ready to supercharge your team's productivity, Miro is absolutely worth trying, but consider starting with the free plan to see if it's the right fit for your needs before committing to a paid tier.